All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Journey. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful black with black leather, with black cloth interior, third row seating, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, super nice roof racks, alloy wheels, fog lights. This car only has 30,000 miles, folks. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty darn decent. Your front hood looks good. Seems to have a little chippy right there. Another one next to it, or another one on this corner here. This fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim, front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 5/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty good. It has a dent here, 3. Another one here, 3, 6 to 7 inches here, from here to here, and another one from here to here. We are calling it frame. It did take a hit in the back, so I'm assuming that that's from the hit. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. And your tire thread is at 5/32. Let me double check that. That's correct. Just about at 5/32, as you can see right there. Boom. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it off for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos. Boom. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. So on the lights here. Got your there it is. This is one. All right. Does have AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. I'm turning on the heat because it is. I thought it was push start or push thing. Turning down the heat because it is hot, guys. It is hot today in New Jersey. All right. Got your AM, FM, CD player on it and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. All right. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. So you can see it does have a airbag light on. All right. And what else? That is about it. That completes the tour for in here. Oh, and the mileage of 30,715. That's about it, folks. Keeping it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC controls and vents running about. And you do have a rear passenger seat, third row seating. No holes, no tears, no rips back there. Armrest with cup holders, and that one also goes up and turns into a seat. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear deck lid looks pretty decent. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold forward, so just check out the pictures. That's a cracking here in the molding. Just saw it, noticed it. All right, this is what your moldings look like in here. I took the hit from back here, so just so that you know, I took the hit from back here, so that's why I'm calling it frame. All right, moving around. This quarter looks okay. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this. And your tire third. This at 5/32. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on the third row here. No holes, no tears, no rips on that side. All right. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips on that either. And your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on that. And your tire thread is at 5/32 as well. Lights are working. Vehicle is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2000. I had to turn on the fog lights, folks. So now we got fog lights and all lights are working. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the 2017 Dodge Journey SXT model with 30,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.